have a very bad crack in my wallpaper. So using a tube of wallpaper seam repair, I squirt a bunch of it onto a card. And using a small brush, I lift the peeling wallpaper and apply the wallpaper seam repair liberally behind every part of the lifting wallpaper. I wait 3 minutes after I apply the wallpaper seam repair. I thoroughly clean my brush. I have a squeegee and a plastic card, either of which I can use to flatten out the crack after 3 minutes. This I'm going to have to fill in with a little paint right here, and maybe along the crack as well. So I'm going to come back here in about 10 minutes and I'm going to flatten it again. In the meantime, I'm going to clean this area off with a wet, moist paper towel. Now I use a moist paper towel to clean off the excess seam repair. It's not a wet towel, it's moist, so the wetness doesn't go into the cracks. The wallpaper seam repair takes a while to really cure. Now it's 10 minutes later and I'm just firmly adhering the wallpaper. Now with a fine brush and some white paint, I paint along the crack that's left over. Now from a distance, nobody could tell that there's a crack there.